Welcome, fellow travelers. Today we embark on an exciting journey to one of the Southeast Asia's most captivating destinations, Thailand. Whether you're planning a relaxing beach getaway or an immersive cultural experience, we have compiled the best travel tips to help you make the most of your adventure. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore Thailand's wonders. Tip number 1. Embrace the Thai culture. To truly experience Thailand, immerse yourself in its rich and vibrant culture. Engage with the locals, learn a few basic Thai phrases, and be respectful of their customs. When visiting temples, remember to dress modestly and remove your shoes before entering. By embracing the Thai way of life, you will create lasting memories and forge meaningful connections. Tip 2. Sample the local cuisine. Thailand is a food lover's paradise. Indulge in the country's mouth-watering street food and traditional dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. Don't shy away from trying the spicier options, but be cautious if you have a low tolerance for heat. Remember, the best Thai food can often be found at humble street stalls where flavors come alive. Tip 3. Explore Bangkok's hidden gems. In the bustling capital city of Bangkok, venture beyond the popular tourist spots to discover hidden gems. Take a long-tail boat ride along the Chao Phraya River, explore the vibrant markets of Chinatown, or marvel at the intricate architecture of Wat Arun. By venturing off the beaten path, you will unveil a side of Bangkok that's both enchanting and authentic. Tip 4. Island paradise awaits. Thailand boasts some of the world's most stunning islands and beaches. From the white sands of Phuket to the crystal clear waters of Koh Phi Phi, each island offers a unique slice of paradise. Don't miss out on a snorkeling, diving, or simply basking in the sun. Remember to respect the marine life and keep our oceans clean by practicing responsible tourism. Tip 5. Experience the festivals. Thailand's festivals are a riot of color, music, and cultural celebrations. Plan your trip to coincide with festivities like Songkran or Loy Krathong. These events offer a glimpse into Thailand's lively traditions, featuring water fights, lantern releases, and vibrant parades. Immerse yourself in the festivities for an unforgettable experience. Tip 6. Stay hydrated and mindful of the heat. Thailand's tropical climate can be unforgiving, so staying hydrated is essential. Carry a water bottle with you at all times and drink plenty of fluids. Protect yourself from the sun by wearing sunscreen, a hat, and a lightweight, breathable cloth. Avoid strenuous activities during the hottest hours of the day and seek shade when needed. And there you have it, our best travel tips for exploring Thailand's captivating destinations. Remember, embrace the culture, savor the cuisine, and immerse yourself in the beauty that this incredible country has to offer. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in the land of smiles.